How to turn off data saver on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn off your data saver on Android. So first thing, simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, if you are using Samsung devices, it might be under the connection section. So simply tap on connection, or you can also alternatively head over to your search and simply search in for mobile networks. And once you inside your mobile networks option, simply click on it and you will see an option called data usage. It might be under mobile network section or it might be outside the mobile network section, so it doesn't really matter. What it matters is simply find the data usage option, and once you find the data usage option, you might be seeing the data saver or data saving option, and that is shown at the top as you can see. And what you can do is simply click on it and turn this off. Make sure you turn this off. And once you do that, you can also make sure you have turned this off if your ultra data saving mode is also on. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you can easily turn off your data saver on Android phone, which must be costing you the data without breaching link. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.